Beginner's Skincare Routine E-Step by Step for Teens. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics: skincare routine for teens. Whether you're dealing with pesky pimples, oily patches, or just want to keep your skin glowing and healthy, this video is for you. But before we jump into the skincare steps, let's take a moment to appreciate each and every one of you. But here's the deal. You are stunning inside and out, just as you are right now. Embrace those freckles, honor those imperfections, and remember that true beauty shines from within. Now, on to the main event. In today's video, we're breaking down a comprehensive skincare routine, step by step, designed especially for teens. All right, lovelies, without further ado, let's unlock the secrets to radiant, glowing skin. Are you ready? Let's start. Step 1. Cleanser. A cleanser is used to clean the skin by removing dirt, oil, makeup, and other impurities. It is typically the first step in a skincare routine and is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Step 2. Toner. Toner typically refers to a liquid skincare product that is applied to the face after cleansing. Its primary purpose is to remove any remaining traces of dirt, oil, or makeup from the skin, helping to ensure that pores are clean and preventing breakouts. Step 3. Serum. Serum is a lightweight, highly concentrated skincare product, formulated with potent active ingredients to target specific skin concerns. Step 4. Moisturizer. Moisturizer is a crucial component of any skincare routine, serving as a vital tool in maintaining the health and appearance of the skin. Step 5. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a vital component of any skincare routine, offering protection against the harmful effects of ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun.